In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a domain from Godaddy to Ionos. Whether you're looking to consolidate your digital assets or simply prefer the services offered by Ionos, the domain transfer process can seem daunting. But don't worry, I'll guide you through it with ease and clarity. First, let's ensure everything is in order to initiate the transfer from Godaddy. Start by logging into your Godaddy account. Once you're in, navigate to the My Products section, which is on your account dashboard. Look for the domain you wish to transfer and click on Manage next to that domain. In the domain settings, you should scroll down until you find the Additional Settings section. This is where you'll see the Transfer Domain Away from Godaddy option. Click on that. Before you proceed, Godaddy will ask you to verify your ownership of the domain. It's essential to keep your domain unlocked during this process. Thus, in the transfer settings, make sure to unlock your domain if it's not unlocked already. Once it's unlocked, take note of the transfer authorization code, also known as the EPP code. This is crucial for the next steps. With these preliminary steps at Godaddy complete, let's switch gears to Ionos. Head over to your Ionos account and log in. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to set up a new account. Once you're logged into Ionos, look for the Domains SSL section within your account dashboard. This is a central area where you will initiate and manage all your domain-related activities. In the Domains SSL section, find and click on Transfer a Domain. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter the domain name you're transferring from Godaddy. Type it in and proceed. You'll then need to input the authorization code or EPP code that you retrieved from Godaddy. Enter it carefully, and ensure there are no spaces or typos. After entering the code, continue by following the prompts provided by Ionos to finalize the transfer request. Once the request is confirmed, it's important to note that the transfer process can take a few days to complete. Both registrars will update you via email throughout the process. Be on the lookout for these updates, and check both your Godaddy and Ionos accounts for notifications regarding the status of the transfer. And that's it. You've now successfully set up the process to transfer your domain from Godaddy to Ionos. While transfers require some patience, having all your domains under your preferred registrar can simplify managing them in the long run. If you encounter any issues, both Godaddy and Ionos offer robust customer support services to assist you. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your website endeavors.